Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umintri ketenak tourism jangka sarkar Jelau ba polling do ulong bahadin balapan kerja yang Nongdie Madan na Kyndang lat ketu kecaka kala itenat bat kala long kalinti aj beriu mentapat ulong bak sarkar kan Kyndang bat penkerja yang Nongdie Madan sana Laitumkhrah Civil Hospital Point Bijoy ter Shaduh Motphran ulong bak sarkar kala buthong bakan salah ban pendap yang ni kam hau nai wieng mentau snem.
So tenat ba gilalak ban penkeluit ya Kyndang lat bat menta ginya chakmat segi wepat hi yo kiba kala khata bhaga ni gejing ya kum kala imkhra ka Civil Hospital Point bat katham Bijoy dia yakini hi don gejing tu bangin pendep lut hapo jong bunai November menta kasnem.
Despite various challenges, we are happy that today we have the busiest commercial hub of the city, which has been retransferred for use of pedestrians and with the successful relocation of vendors. So the natural question would be what happens to other areas of the city. In a phased manner, the state government will continue to clear and relocate hawkers from Laitumkhrah Civil Hospital Point, Bijoy up to Motphran. These are major commercial areas and we have a target date of completing all relocation and decongesting of these areas by November this year. This constitution of the TVCs has taught us quite a few lessons, and based on what we have learned from the Kyndang experience, we should be in a position to improve the way we function when it comes to the other areas. An in-principle decision. In principle, we will move to the next sites, which are the sites I have mentioned. Details of how many and the relocation plans will be worked out, and then only I will come back to you.